What's up, guys? Caitlin Reiner here. I just wanted to make a quick video and talk to you guys about this work from home opportunity that I'm affiliated with called Level Rewards. You've probably been seeing me post a lot about it on my Facebook page, and if you haven't, now's the chance to learn about it. So, basically, Level Rewards is affiliated with Fortune 500 companies like Gamefly, LifeLock, Proactive, Hulu, ABCmouse.com, eFax, several other ones on there as well. But those are just some, for example. And all we do is we help advertise for these companies. And all you do really is you just go on Facebook in your groups. I'll have training on all of that. And you just copy and paste your ads. And when people, respond and want information, you just send them the information. And then you start making money. That's really all there is to it. So I'm going to go into my Level Rewards account. That way you can kind of see what's going on and what I'm talking about. Now, after you have registered, you will be on a page similar to this, and more than likely it will say level 0, earnings 0, and credits 0, which is normal. That's how it's supposed to be when you first start out. As you can see, I'm a level 21. Now, you do not have to be a level that high. I just choose to have a level that high. That way I can make more money. The higher the level you have, the more money that you will potentially make. So, after you have registered and everything like that, you'll be on this page and you'll see all of these deals or offers, as you'll call them. And these are some of the companies that we advertise for. And in order to become eligible to work with Level Rewards and start making money, there is no better way than knowing about your companies until you try them. So to work with Level Rewards, you have to at least try some of their deals. That way you can level up. As you can see, these have credit values, which one credit value equals one level. So this one right here is 5 levels, which you would be a level 5. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm trying to show you guys how you can get started for free with no credit card required or anything like that. So before you level up or do anything like that, you will need to go into your settings. This is very, very important. It helps a lot for the crediting part. You'll go into your settings in your browser, and you can do this from your smartphone also. And when you go into your settings, you'll see something like this. It'll say clear browsing data, and you'll click on that and just clear your browsing history, your cookies, etc. And then you'll press on clear. Now, I just cleared mine earlier, so I don't need to do that again, but I just wanted to show you how to do it. And if you have, this is one of the ways, if you have a computer or a laptop, Nielsen Rewards is a very good one. Let's see here. All you would do is sign up, install the app, and send your first log of data. Now, when they mean first log of data, all you do is sign up, install it on your computer, and just use your computer as you normally would. That's all there is to that. So you just click on complete the deal, and after that, it'll redirect you to their website. You'll come here and you'll click on get started. Now, I've already done this on my computer, so I'm not going to do it again. But then you'll come to a page like this. You'll complete your information, confirm I'm not a robot, and then sign up. After that, it'll ask you about, who uses your computer and, what you use your computer for and things like that. Just answer them honestly, and then after that, it'll you'll see where it'll say install, and then you'll install it on your computer, and then in 1 to 2 days you'll receive credit on Level Rewards for that deal, and then you will be a level 1, which you will be eligible to make $5 over and over again, unlimited. Now, with this platform, there's no monthly fees or anything like that, so you ain't got to worry about that. Now, if you do not have a computer or a laptop, then there is some other ways that you can get started for free. Now, I really do like these. These are like what you would call calling deals. You just call to get a free quote, and that's it. You just kind of talk to them about their deals and their advertisements and what interests you and stuff like that. And you call and talk to them, answer their questions, and don't hang up on them or anything like that. Just talk for a few minutes, and after you hang up the phone or whatever, you'll receive credit for that. You'll just click on complete the deal, and then it'll redirect you to their website. You'll check off both of the boxes and click on the number at the bottom, and then it'll call. And then that's all there is to do with that. Now, if you don't want to do the column ones, that's fine. There is some down here. This one's called Survey Rewards. It has a credit value of 1. Now, these two right here called Credit Aroma and Credit Sesame, they are partial credits, but they will add up to full credits. So, let's see here. This one is called Zen Surveys. This one is free with no card required. YourCardSearch.com. That one is also, there's several ways you can get started for free, but my two main ones that are the easiest that I recommend to people are these column ones, either Final Expense, Termite Control, or the Nielsen Rewards. Now, if you want to spend a couple of dollars and, that kind of thing, then that's totally fine. You do whatever interests you and whatever you want to do. So after you have successfully leveled up, you will receive a level right up here in the corner. It'll say level 1 and credit 1 and then earning 0. Now, after you level up, you can then start making money. So after you level up, you will need to go into your profile and let's see here. You'll need to go to your profile and make sure all your information is correct and make sure your PayPal email address is correct, unless you want to get paid through Zelle or through bank transfer. That's really up to you. So I hope that this video has been somewhat helpful. If you have any more questions about Level Rewards or anything like that, please let me know. I'll be glad to help you and get you started. And I hope everybody has a great day. Thanks for watching.